In this video, I am going to cover most of the common questions I have received about the Google AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding course. Before we start, I want to make one thing clear. I am not part of Kaggle team or the Google team. All the answers I am sharing here based on official course information, documentation, and my 15 years of software experience and my experience from previous Google AI Agent course. I have collected all these questions from our YouTube channel. So let's go through one by one. The goal is not collecting badges, not for certificates. The goal is learning tools, understand the concepts. You are being introduced to anti-gravity, MCP servers, skills, APIs, documentation, deployment, and agent workflows. At first, it may feel difficult, but these are exactly kinds of tasks you will face in real-time software projects. When you join a new company, nobody gives you the perfect video to set up your machine. You will receive documentation, setup guides, installation instructions, and you will be expecting to be make things works. That's exactly the experience these hands-on exercises are trying to provide. If you really like my efforts, smash that like button. That gives more motivation to create these kind of videos. Let's get started. What is day 0? Set up your Kaggle account, AI Studio account, API key, Antigravity 2.0, Antigravity IDE, Antigravity CLI, and join the Kaggle Discord channel. What is day 1? Learn Antigravity 2.0 and Antigravity IDE features, build a web application in AI Studio and deploy it to your cloud run. What is day 2? Get started with Antigravity CLI, explore its features and learn how MCP Servers works in Antigravity. In the day 2 Antigravity CLI, in the day 1 Antigravity app and IDE. That is the difference between day 1 and day 2. All these sessions, workshops, yes, day 1 and day 2 are hands-on workshops focused on learning anti-gravity tools and gaining practical experience. Why are we deleting the published app? After completing the activity, especially in the day 1, clean up your resources so you can use the free quota for future exercise. The same idea applies to the deleting temporarily API keys in the day 2 as well. I did not receive a registered email. What should I do? If you registered late, you may not receive earlier emails because those were triggered before. Simply log into the Kaggle and access all activities directly from the course page. Can I register today? No. Bad news is registration just closed. You can notice that just now I tried with new Gmail account and registration is closed. Alright. Do I need to submit my work to Kaggle? No. Day 1 and day 2 do not require submissions. These activities are mainly for learning and hands-on practice. There is no tracking in the Kaggle side. I am expecting similar kind of day 3, day 4, 5 also within our local system only we are going to do it. How is Kaggle tracking our work? There is currently no daily submission tracking or badges for these activities. Focus on learning and preparing for the final project. Why we are performing all these activities? Because we are preparing for our capstone project. That is very important. When will I get the certificate? According to the course information, certificates will be awarded after successful project submission and completion of the program requirements. Basically, once you complete your capstone project, then you are going to get the certificate. Even in the previous AI agent course also, the certificate has been provided after the completion of the project. Most of the users having this issue. Gemini tokens are running out quickly. What should I do? Use Gemini Pro account. You already have it. Use another account for practice if needed and avoid sending the same prompts repeatedly. What I mean here, create the new account with new Gmail and use that account for your activities. What is the use of podcast and white paper? This is very important, guys. It contains the core learning materials. Reading is difficult for you. Use Notebook LM to summarize the content and help you to understand the concepts faster. How you can do it? You just download the PDF from the white paper and give that PDF to the Notebook LM. Just give one prompt. Just summarize this white paper in 10 bullet points. That's it. Can I use a different Gmail account? Yes, since there are no day 1 and day 2 submissions and you can use different accounts for practice activities, it no need to be matched with your Kaggle account. What is the difference between Antigravity app, ID and CLI? So basically app equal to chart. For example, it is similar to your chat GPT, right? We are going to chart. IDE is nothing but Visual Studio Code where we are actually building the code. CLI is for more automation related command line interface. Chart also can be used for code. CLI also can be used for the code. But the point here is every tool has different purpose. Couple of you notice that manage resource error in day 2. session, right? Make sure your two-step verification is enabled on your Google account. Do I need to billing enabled for day 1 or day 2? No, billing is not required. The free tier is sufficient for the workshop activities. Clear? My published app is not working. This is again from the day 1. Verify that two-step verification is enabled and your Google AI Studio API key is configured properly or not. It will be resolved. Where can I find the anti-gravity folder? Basically, this is the one most common question. Usually it will be under your C drive, under your users, and it will be available under your computer name on your Windows system. Okay, you just give the C drive user slash your username, that computer name slash, then you can find all the dot folders there, only anti-gravity and anti-gravity CLI, everything you'll find there. Dot Gemini. Google developer knowledge MCP is not configuring. In the official page itself, they already mentioned there is a short delay before developer knowledge API appears in the last after its enablement. Wait for few minutes and try again if you cannot find it. That's what they mentioned in their document. CLI installation is not working. Command line interface. So once you give that PowerShell command or CMD command, usually it takes some time. Just be patient. Wait for a moment after installation. Just press enter. Okay. Sometimes it just freezes there. Then reopen your command prompt as a administrator mode and run AZY hyphen version. And if you still don't find, just open your C drive users folder, go inside your username of your computer, then you may just see that anti-gravity CLI folder. If not, you have to install again guys. All this setup, if you find any issues, you just use the chat GPT to fix your issues. Most of the people having this kind of question, why do these activities there is no tracking or badges? This is probably most important question. The goal is not collecting badges, not for certificates. The goal is learning tools, understand the concepts. You are being introduced to anti-gravity, MCP servers, skills, APIs, documentation, deployment and agent workflows. At first, it may feel difficult, but these are exactly kinds of tasks you will face in real-time software projects. When you join a new company, nobody gives you the perfect video to set up your machine. You will receive documentation, setup guides, installation instructions, and you will be expecting to be make things works. That's exactly the experience these hands-on exercises are trying to provide. My expectation is that day 3, 4 and 5 will continue building on these foundations and will likely require us to use local system tools and even more. Mostly there are no submissions. I know everyone is facing issues and I have tried my best to answer all of your questions as possible based on my experience and the information currently available. If your question was not covered in the video, feel free to leave a comment. I will do my best to help. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share our channel with your one friend, that helps to your friend and it helps to our channel as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.